So now we will do a quick analysis on our pound JPY. But before that, I want you to understand this our JPY index first. We can see that our JPY index has actually been dropping, right? And we are actually having something like a retracement. So definitely we are going bullish. And today we are candle have opened bullish. So definitely if you are going bullish today, any other pair related to our JPY should actually be dropping. Now on our pound JPY, we can see that our price has actually been, it has actually, we have gotten a bullish move. Now we've actually seen something like a fall, whereby we see a fall, a retracement. We're actually going to be going a fall again, at least to this our key area here. That's exactly what I want you to be aiming. And if possibly we break below it and go it, or we see something like a ranging market for today on this our pound JPY. So I want you to know that at least today, for today only, I'm predicting that our pound will actually be falling against our JPY, because our JPY is now going bullish, giving us a retracement bullish upward. So definitely our any pair relating to it should actually be falling, since our JPY will be going bullish. Since our JPY will be going bullish, then our pound should actually be falling against our JPY. That is on our 1 hour time frame. You can see on our 4 hour time frame. Let me highlight it. As you can see that our price is now starting to fail. It has failed to break this our previous higher highs here. We saw it, price has rejected. Then definitely our price is actually now coming down. At least let's mark to this our area here, whereby we'll be seeing our price hit. That should be giving us, at least that should be giving us about 86 pips. If we are to take our sell position, grab 86 pips and up that, I think that is enough. And there's every possibility we can even be ranging here for throughout this video. When we hit this our 86 pips, our price can actually now still push up again. So we might be seeing something like a ranging market movements here. But before that, let's get a drop on our pound JPY for today.